Red-haired giants or Si-Te-Cah. Nevada's Paiutes spoke of a race of giant red-headed cannibals who attacked and ate members of the surrounding tribes. According to their mythology, the Si-Te-Cah, as they call them, waged a war against them and other neighboring tribes, causing terror and destruction. After years of fighting, the tribes united against this formidable enemy. The tribes eventually drove the last remaining giants out and they sought refuge inside Lovelock Cave. The tribe seized the opportunity and set fire to the cave entrance, suffocating and burning alive the few Si-Te-Cah who remained. Astonishingly, evidence of an extreme fire near the cave entrance was found during the initial discoveries in 1911. In 1911, while mining Lovelock Cave, guano miners discovered thousands of artifacts and mummified remains, some of which were enormous and had red hair attached to their skulls. The local university was called in to excavate the cave, and the artifacts and mummies were removed and dispersed to several museums. Strangely, the mummies disappeared out of the public view. There is a certain debate among scholars regarding the truthfulness of the claims made about the giants of Lovelock. During the initial excavations, remains of two red-haired giants were reported. One was a female measuring 1.98 m in height, and the other was a male measuring over 2.44 m. Research conducted at the University of Nevada suggests that one of the giants found was actually only 1.83 m tall, not the claimed 2.44 m. A short time after the second excavation in 1931, an article published in the local newspaper, Nevada Review-Minor, claimed that two giant skeletons were discovered in the dry lakebed near Lovelock, with heights of 2.60 m and 3 m, and they had been buried in a similar manner to the way it was done in ancient Egypt. Spanish conquistador. For example, in the 16th century, a Spanish conquistador named Pedro Cieza de Leon documented an ancient Peruvian story about the origin of the giants. In his writings, de Leon wrote that the figures came by sea on rafts made of reeds, like large boats, and that some of the men were so tall that an average man would only go as high as their knees. Furthermore, further north in the Andean mountains, between Peru and Bolivia, elongated skulls were found. It is said that the remains are about 3,000 years old and much larger than those of regular humans. Some of them also had red hair.